Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to remove or disable Home from the settings in Windows 11. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Create new string named as settings page visibility, change value data to hide colon home. Restart Windows Explorer. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.